Don't be afraid to give up the good to go for the great. Leaving our home, going away from parents, living a life filled with freedom is something that we all might have wished for ever since our childhood. But when actually the time comes and we are finally destined to set off home, we realize leaving home isn't easy. After years of schooling, we finally enter into college. And getting into a college of our dream incorporates tons of expectations in our minds. But as we get into college, we finally understand that things aren't as easy. Well, this is something that had happened with me that changed my perspective towards life completely. I was just another guy expecting what others expect from college, having a dream to follow my passion, to make friends, to know about as many things as I can, and to get inspired by the other highly talented people I'm surrounded by in my college. However, the things didn't completely go my way. Here are the four things right from my heart that I learned in 2.5 years of my college life. This is me telling my story. So, starting off with the first point, it's okay to be confused. Starting YouTube was the first and the only strict objective I had when I joined college. Getting carried away by the huge number of clubs, societies, be it coding, drama, dance, intrigued me to try them out all. So I did indeed try them. Even we all should, and I was a part of a lot of things in my first year, which right now I am not a part anymore. But the connections that I made and the friends that I made through them were truly priceless. The negative side of this, of course, I did tend to get carried away a lot, hence getting diverted from my prime goals. So we basically need to prioritize our goals, like our academics and careers should be right at the top, just followed by a side hustle if any. Clubs and societies must be there but just only in the secondary list. However, this should not be ignored as they help a lot in building connections. Now moving on to our second point, hostel life is tough.
So hostel life was one of the most frequently asked questions in all my previous videos, just like the question of JEE कैसे clear करना है. And अगर JEE clear करने की बात करें तो दिशा Publications has come up with something really great, which is their errorless 45 years previous year questions for both JEE Main and JEE Advanced. This book has errorless solutions of all the JEE Main previous year questions from 2013 to 2022 and all the JEE Advanced previous year questions from 1978 to 2022. All the questions of this book are divided chapter wise and topic wise, and every single chapter has nearly 10 different types of questions like single correct answer type, multiple correct answer type, assertion, reason, integer type question, fill in the blanks and a lot more. अब ये बुक सबके लिए उतनी ही ज्यादा हेल्पफुल होने वाली है जितनी मेरे 5 मंथ्स के जेई प्रेप के टाइम में मुझे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस ने हेल्प किया था. Having around 4600 plus previous year questions from every single subject, physics, chemistry and maths, this book is certainly a must have for all the JEE aspirants. इसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, Amazon और Flipkart की लिंक, so do check it out for sure. Well, Disha Publications is also doing the giveaway of this book, Stop Being a Maggu. Basically, this is a story of 3 aspirants that covers different aspects on how to study effectively in form of a novel. So इस giveaway में participate करने के लिए follow me on Instagram and DM me giveaway hyphen your name and इसके lucky winners को ये book उनके घर पे भेज दी जाएगी. अब बढ़ते हैं आगे वीडियो की तरफ.
Now moving on to our second point, hostel life is tough. When I went to college for the first time, I was allotted a hostel at the Satish Dhawan Hall of Residence. वेल तब सतीश धवन में मेरे ईयर के भी काफ़ी लोग शेयर्ड ऑक्यूपेंसी वाले रूम में रहते थे, बट आई बाय सम मीन्स गॉट अ सिंगल ऑक्यूपेंसी रूम. लेकिन समर वेकेशन के बाद जब हम वापस कॉलेज गए तब हमें नोटिस मिली कि अभी सतीश धवन में सबको शेयर्ड ऑक्यूपेंसी वाले ही रूम्स मिलने वाली है. सो आई हैड टू लीव सतीश धवन एंड आई वेंट अहेड फॉर अनदर हॉस्टल, होमी भाभा हॉल ऑफ रेसिडेंस, जहाँ पे कि सबको सिंगल ऑक्यूपेंसी रूम्स मिल रही थी. एंड दैट सर्टेनली वॉज द बेस्ट डिसीजन ऑफ माई कॉलेज लाइफ टिल डेट. दोस्तों के साथ सिंगल ऑक्यूपेंसी रूम में रहना इज अ नाइस आइडिया एंड इट ऑल्सो साउंड्स फन, लेकिन जब एकेडमिक्स के साथ यूट्यूब और कॉलेज की 3-4 को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज को भी मैनेज करनी हो तब सिंगल रूम की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इज जस्ट अनमैचेबल. और हॉस्टल के मेस के खाने की बात करें तो उसके बारे में मैंने काफी बात कर रखी है अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में. हाउएवर अभी खाने की क्वालिटी काफी ज्यादा इंप्रूव हो चुकी है पहले से. अब हॉस्टल में रहना ऑल्सो मीन्स दैट वी हैव टू डू ऑल आवर वर्क बाय आवरसेल्फ. So this intrigued me to form a routine like sleeping exactly at 12 and waking up exactly at 5. अब घर छोड़ के जब सब हॉस्टल में आते हैं तो इसी दिवाली के कुछ सीन्स देख लो. Now moving on to our third point, all your friends are not your friends. और इसके साथ मैं फोर्थ पॉइंट को भी कंबाइन करना चाहूंगा विच सेज यू हैव टू स्टैंड अप फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. सो व्हेन आई जॉइन कॉलेज एंड इवन टिल नाउ इन माय प्री फाइनल ईयर, I've always been a guy who literally got into a lot of things like clubs, fests, or just name any college activity and you're gonna find me in it. Reason being, I always loved interacting with people around me. So after 2.5 years of college, a lot of conceptions and misconceptions ended and my perception towards life changed. It changed for good. I had a lot of friends in my first year, out of which many were really nice. Time passed और second year आते आते काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें change होने लग गई थी. A few started showcasing their part of superiority and God complex because of the achievements they had by then. और ऐसे लोग सिर्फ कॉलेज में नहीं कहीं भी मिल सकते हैं. अगर आप बाकियों की तरह भीड़ के साथ नहीं चलते and if you are not a part of the ever prevailing rat race in college, then no one cares about what your goal is. अगर आप majority की तरह herd mentality को follow नहीं करते then you are eventually gonna get isolated by others. I started feeling as if शायद मुझे भी वही सारी चीज़ें करनी चाहिए जो बाकी लोग कर रहे हैं. शायद जो काम मैं कर रहा हूँ लाइक यूट्यूब और भी कुछ चीज़ें उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है जस्ट बिकॉज कुछ आसपास के लोग उसकी वैल्यू नहीं करते. सो मैंने भी अपने मेन गोल सेट से डाइवर्ट होकर के वो करना चालू कर दिया था जिस रास्ते हर कोई जा रहा था. बट देन आई मेट सम मोर कॉलेज मेट्स, सम मोर पीपल हु वर नॉट नेगेटिव. हाउएवर दे वर अचीविंग वेल इन देयर फील्ड्स बट दे वर हम्बल एट द सेम टाइम. Slowly and steadily, I started to drift away from those pseudo friends I had in my first year. I had started believing in my own self. ये वो टाइम था जब मैंने ये रियलाइज़ किया कि नथिंग कैन स्टॉप यू इफ़ यू योरसेल्फ डोंट वांट टू स्टॉप. College is certainly a roller coaster where some people would love you, some people would hate you, some people would support you, and some people won't. But at the end, it's just us who can decide our fate. See you guys in the next one. Bye.